Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Media Query in Flutter Full Guide. Open your Flutter project and import package Flutter/material. Dart to access Media Query features immediately. Use Media Query. Of context, size to get width and height and Media Query. Of context, orientation to detect portrait or landscape. These calls help you adjust layouts, font sizes, and padding so your UI looks great on phones, tablets, and other screens without heavy layout logic. In this video, I will explain how to use Media Query in Flutter Full Guide. Call Media Query. Of context, size, width and height to size widgets proportionally and avoid hard-coded values. Apply Media Query. Of context, padding to respect safe areas around notches and status bars on devices. Switch layouts based on Media Query. Of context, orientation so you can present a single column on phones and multiple columns on tablets for a cleaner, adaptive UI. In this video, I will explain how to use Media Query in Flutter Full Guide. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks, so try darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy, all-day wear while you code. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Media Query in Flutter Full Guide. Start by creating responsive breakpoints using width fractions like 0, 25, 0, 5, and 0, 75 of Media Query. Of context, size, width. Use Layout Builder for widget-level constraints and compute font scaling with a ratio based on shortest side or device pixel ratio. Test on multiple emulators and real devices to refine spacing and ensure touch targets remain accessible across different screen sizes and pixel densities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.